Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku bus on May 5, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. 8th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 7, 9. 8th grade, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column B, already we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4 and 9, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and 7th row, we have 2. Column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in with the two cells. Third row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C and fifth row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. Column F, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in with the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. First grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 7, 9. Column E, column G, and 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 6. And 4th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in with the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 9th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F and second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. We can confirm 5 also here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9. Column H, column J, and second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Second row we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row only 2 numbers are 1 and 7, it will come in only 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second grade we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Second grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7. Column H, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Sixth row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column J, 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 8. Column F, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, the 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column F, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. Column E, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 9th row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 10th row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 10th row, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.